In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the WealthLab Candlestick Extension, either from the WealthLab website or directly inside WealthLab 8, and then give a quick overview of what the extension provides. You can download the Candlestick Extension directly from the WealthLab website. Click the Extensions menu. Now locate the Candlestick Extension and download the installer. Once downloaded, just run the installer and follow the prompts. You can also install the extension directly from inside WealthLab 8, which is usually an easier option. On the WealthLab homepage, go to the Extensions section. Find the Candlestick Extensions, and then check the box to update the extension. Since my extension is already installed and up to date, the checkbox isn't available, but you might see it here, and if so, click that checkbox and then click the Update Selected Items button here to install the extension. Once installed, you'll see the Candlestick extension listed under the Extensions menu, Candle Miner and Candlestick Genetic Evolver. The Candlestick extension adds a comprehensive set of tools for working with candlestick patterns in WealthLab. Beyond the pattern library, the extension includes tools for discovering and evaluating candlestick patterns automatically, such as the Candlestick Evolver and the Candle Miner. It also provides building blocks and indicators that make it easy to incorporate candlestick logic into strategies without writing complex pattern matching code. For advanced users and developers, the extension exposes classes and APIs that allow you to extend the system with custom candle genes and programmatic pattern logic. The Candlestick extension is useful both for traders who want to work with candlestick patterns visually or through pre-built tools, and for strategy developers who want deeper control and extensibility. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the candlestick library and how to work with individual candlestick patterns. You can continue to the next video in the playlist to explore more features of the Candlestick extension.